deep thoughts today. Do I have any thoughts at all? You know what puzzles me about Pride and Prejudice is when Mr. Darcy tells Bingley that, you know, Elizabeth Bennet isn't handsome enough to basically grab his attention. He's basically implying that she's not pretty to him. And then fast forward to the scene in the rain where he's like pledging his love. He's obsessed. He's like, you've got to marry me because I just cannot stop thinking about you. And the only point that she brings up is just about Jane and how he messed up that whole relationship. Had I been Elizabeth, I would have been digging through some files and I would have said, I'm sorry, let's take it back to that one time when you said that I wasn't handsome enough to turn your eye. Yeah, can we talk about that? Can you explain that and why that seems to no longer be the case? This is going to be a very small haul. I'm not going to take up too much of your time today, but when I was looking at everything that I had collectively hauled from the few trips that I went to Dollar Tree, I knew that I wanted to single out these items because it's probably one of the most shocking finds. I just never would have imagined seeing anything like this at Dollar Tree, let alone for $1, because Dollar Tree is doing that whole bonus thing. And I stumbled upon a huge display, huge, of this. It is a cake kit by none other than Cake Boss. I'm obsessed with the Food Network and watching, you know, the Halloween bake-off that's currently going on, the kids' little bake-off. I can't believe how well they cook, by the way. It's just absolutely insane. I just love watching people cook. I have no idea why, when I would rather just go through the Taco Bell drive-thru, but I could not believe that this is being sold. If this is going to be a great gift, this is $1. I don't even know what to say. I have more to share with you, but let's just take this one. This is a flower kit, and it says 25-piece decorating kit. And then if you look on the back, it shows you all the different styles of cake that you can make. Well, not all of them, but they're just showing you like 2 options here. Oh my gosh, and then it shows you on the side what is included in the package. What in the world? How did Dollar Tree acquire this? I have to know. I need answers. Here is a sports cake kit. I know a couple of friends that I grew up with, went to high school with, and they've all, not all of them, what am I saying? Some of them are creating their own companies straight from home, making cakes, and I can just imagine trying to start something up like that and finding this stuff like this to help you along the way for $1. Here is what is included in this package. Is happening. Shows you some really cool examples of what you can do with the cutouts and just the pipe bags that I assume you're getting. Yeah, and it even gives you instructions on how to make these 2 cakes right here. $1. And that wasn't it. Then I found a Circus Cake Kit, which is my favorite. I love this pattern because it says circus, but you could do so much with this. When I got my daughter's cake for her graduation, which unfortunately was messed up, but this is so cool. You could definitely use these fondant strips or however they're doing this and just make a really cool graduation cake, birthday cake, you know, college cake, high school cake, whatever, you know, NBA, NFL, like whatever your heart's desire, this could help you do that. And then again, it's going to give you those instructions for how to make those cakes and then all the things that you get in the circus. You would have thought that seeing just these 3 cake kits, and I'm not sure if there were more. I feel like when I saw them, I had a mini stroke. So I feel like I went through all of them, but if there's another one that's out there, let me know. But here you would have thought that that would have been it, but no, I found more. I found, oh my gosh, I found cookie cutter presses for fondant. And this is a little truck set. What? And the next one, the last one of these, is a princess set. Oh my gosh. So you get the castle, the carriage, what looks like a crown, and a dress. And the very last thing is, look at this. It's an embossed fondant rolling pen. So when you roll it over fondant, it's going to leave the design that's on this roller. And this one is flower and dot pattern. Hopefully you guys, there we go. And then it shows you what it would look like when you roll over. I found this at Dollar Tree. Hope that you guys are finding it. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've been finding it at your stores. And I just can't believe this. I think, again, like, this is an awesome idea, especially if you want to start off making your own company out of your own home. This is going to be a great way to do it. And even if you maybe think that you might not be good at it, but maybe it's like been somewhere in the back of your head, you could definitely buy this stuff and just practice. And you never know where that could lead to. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.